Explore practical solutions to resolve brightness control problems on your Windows 11 or 10 system. This quick guide covers easy troubleshooting steps to regain control over your display brightness settings. Say goodbye to the frustration of a non-responsive brightness slider with our helpful tips. To fix brightness control not working on Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand the display adapter category. Step 3. Right-click on your display adapter and select Update Driver. Step 4. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. If updating the driver doesn't solve the issue, right-click on your display adapter again and select Uninstall device. Step 6. Restart your computer and Windows will reinstall the display driver. Step 7. If the problem persists, check your laptop's or monitor's manufacturer's website for the latest display drivers compatible with your system. Step 8. Additionally, make sure your power plan settings are not causing the issue. Go to Power Options in the Control panel and check the settings related to display brightness. These steps should help resolve brightness control issues on Windows 11 or 10.